If you have lots of tabs open in Chrome, switching between them quickly can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest keyboard shortcuts for moving between tabs on Windows, Linux, and Mac, so you can browse more efficiently without constantly reaching for your mouse. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Let's jump right in. On Windows and Linux, the shortcut to move to the next tab is Ctrl plus Tab. Just hold down Ctrl, then tap Tab, and Chrome will jump one tab to the right. If you want to go back to the previous tab, use Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab. That's Ctrl, Shift, and Tab together, and it moves you one tab to the left. This is the simplest and fastest way to cycle through your open tabs when you're working in Chrome. Now, if you're on a Mac, the shortcuts are slightly different. To move to the next tab, press Command plus Option plus the right arrow key. That will take you forward through your tabs one step at a time. To move to the previous tab, press Command plus Option plus the left arrow key. That takes you back to the tab you were on before. These shortcuts work great whether you're researching, comparing websites, or switching between work and personal tabs. A few quick tips can make this even easier. First, practice the shortcut a few times so it becomes automatic. Second, if you only use a few tabs often, try pinning important ones so they're easy to find. And third, remember that these shortcuts work inside Chrome whenever you have multiple tabs open, so they're perfect for everyday browsing. If you ever forget the shortcuts, just think simple. Control or Command with Tab to move forward, and Control or Command with Shift and Tab or the arrow keys to move backward, depending on your device. Once you get used to it, tab switching becomes second nature and can really speed up your workflow. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more short tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.